Hello everybody and welcome back to Niche. I don't think we really need to do a whole big introduction to this. I hope the clicking will be less obnoxious. I'll look back at some of my other episodes and I switched to a different mouse, so hopefully the clicking is a bit better. And so let's just get into it. Otter, we're going to lose her soon. You couldn't get that. I didn't think she would. Let's just have her collect some of this. Acorn is also getting up there in age, so he needs a successor. But I wonder who he'd actually pick. I wonder if Bark has been so loyal to him, if he wouldn't pick Bark. And of course the dogs are going to bark right now. And I know the dogs come up on the recording because this mic picks up everything. I really need a new mic. It's on my list of things to do. Blackberry, you can collect from here. We'll have Dart switch places with Oak. And let's look at their mutations. Or what they're... For her, we'll put in one Nimble Finger and one Fairy Claw. Or one Claw in general. And for you, I've already put yours in, and let's see what you guys create. I was supposed to say, you're not infertile, are you? No, you have decent fertility. So, let's go over here to our adventurous siblings. Are they siblings? I think they are. They're at least half siblings. And they really can't do much over here. But they can at least explore a bit. And down here we have Rye and his mate Gorse, who are trying to create creatures who can help keep the tribe alive by picking berries. Rye remembers how much his beloved grandmother Violet wanted to focus on keeping the tribe alive, because she came into power when the tribe was absolutely falling apart. There weren't a whole lot of nichelings and they were starving. So their goal from the beginning was to create nimble-fingered creatures who could collect the berries. And I think they would have heard some whispers from over here that there are plenty of berry bushes over here where our sweet, sweet Rowan passed away. And I feel like Rye, once they're old enough, to start urging his children that way. So we'll start sending Blackberry over there. And as for over here, Cedar, I don't think you're going to find a mate, pal. BD. GC. You can actually mate with Blackberry. Are you going to live long enough? Yeah, he's young enough. So I wonder if they would meet up over here and start to, like, settle over here again. Because there hasn't really been creatures over in this area since Rowan passed away. I think that's really all the moves we can make. We can have Rye come up here and remove some of this grass. And let's let the day pass. Let's see what we got. I want to call you Owl. And we should have another. We have you. And my brain is dead again. I'm brain dead. I want to name her Honey. And let's see. Oh, Dart. Oak may be beautiful, but your children aren't. I'm kind of looking at the other names so I don't, like, name two Nishlings the same while they're still alive. Sand. Do I already have one named Sand? The name seems oddly familiar. Nope. And let's continue sending you this way. Let's actually bring Cedar down and bring Larch up to collect from this bush. While I can finish clearing out over there. And I feel like Fern would hastily chase after her sister. And they can start settling in this area. And actually, Fern... Nope, too closely related. But can you both breed with him? Yes. We have all this food, we just can't collect it with all of our creatures. Can you step up here and sort of just like man this berry bush when you're not breeding? And let's see how we can do this. Let's just go like, let's have you go up here. Are you young enough where we don't have to worry? Yeah. Let's have you pick up this and stay with the baby, and then you can collect from here. Let's have Flame just sort of explore. Does that really leave only our little duo over here to continue exploring? Primrose and Clover are now just so separated from each other. And Otter will just sit there up on this stump lighting up a whole area for us. You can attack the bunny and clear with some grass. Let's make the day pass. And we are halfway to surviving 100 days. I cannot believe it. And let's just pick up from this berry bush. Rye, you can pick from berry bush as well. Let's get Otter pregnant again. I don't know when they'll exactly have their last baby. I don't like the fact that he's alone, though. I'll also have to let that creature take the berries for now. And we'll have him jump over here, kill the bunny, and have her jump over here and collect. And we've kind of divided into 3 groups already. There's this group way up here, this group here, and these up down here. But we're all still one tribe at this point. My main concern is we might not be able to have enough food. And is Acorn on his last day? No, he has 2 days left. You, I think, are on your last day, so jump off there. These two are just going to continue exploring. Maybe hunting some bunnies. Because, you know, food. Let's get little honey off the nest. Over here, there's a lot of food. We just don't have the necessary nichelings to get it. There's a lot of healing plants too, so I guess that's a good thing. And little Flame will just continue exploring. And Sand will shift closer to her, whoever you are to her. And I wonder who exactly will be the next leader. Bark doesn't have too long left, so let's have you make a nest. Let's make sure that you carry on the tradition by having Berry Paw in at least one of your inventories, and let's have fun with your other one by seeing if we can get Violet Eyes back in, because Violet Eyes were what gave Violet her name. And I think that's really it. Yeah, we can't attack anything with a creature with 2 berry paws. Another day passes. Who died? Show. Otter. That's right, Otter died. Acorn's on his last day, so he really has to make a choice now. Who is going to lead the tribe after he's gone? Come down here with this group. And let's look at you. You got the violet eyes! You got the purple eyes. So what to name you? I don't know what to name him. Because he's a boy, I don't want to name him Violet. Why don't we just name him Knight? Because the violet kind of reminds me of Knight as well as the eyes do. So his name's going to be Knight. Let's go ahead and name the other baby that was born. And you got the Claw. So why not just name him Claw? I've given up at this point. I think Lard should come down here with his brother. And Owl will stay up here the rest with some of his family. In all honesty, would you make a good mate for Clover if she can make it back? No, you both have that bee immunity. DB, that's HB. Is there someone without it? HB. No. CG, Flame. I think Flame will come down here and occupy this nest. You, Primrose, or led his sister's way in hopes that she could find happiness. She doesn't have too long left. And we still have to make a choice on what to do about Bear. I mean, not Bear, but Acorn. He's on his last days. But maybe Bear actually looks good. He has been dutifully, he looked after little little Sand when her parents fled to this nest. He's been dutifully collecting berries. I think that he would say that Bear is now the leader of the tribe. Nicheling's lives are so short that we seem to go through leaders so quickly, and it is so sad. Have we gotten everyone? No, we can get Gorse onto a nest. Because Rye has 4 days left, so we've lost our leader. Sadly, we've lost our leader. That's how things kind of go. And let's see if we can get Primrose, not Primrose, but Clover up here. And if she just move you up to the nest so that the thing can't take it. Yes, we can get her on the nest. I'm not even going to worry about mutations at this point. Just so Flame can have a couple of children. And our gatherers are dutifully gathering. Primrose can snag some mole meat and do his duty to the tribe. We can move Little Claw off the nest, and he can maybe admire Primrose's double Barrina claws. I feel like Oak and Dart would just sit back for a second, just watch their children as they become, valuable members of the tribe. I feel like Sam would just step over and, take over this berry bush. And Lily would kill that. And Bark's going to continue up. And Honey's just sitting here content, watching her mother gather things. Fern is old enough to breed. And let's set Larch up here so he can see. Maybe swipe at the bunnies. This little area is getting repopulated. It's just kind of nice after all the sadness and death it has seen. And just shake the tree. That's the last move we can make. I think that's all we can do. I think we'll end the episode off by naming this little guy. So cute. They've named a lot of their kids after berries, but I don't think there's a berry that I can name him after. I kind of want to name him Mudspot. Even though we don't really do, those two-part names, that is kind of cute. Mudpot. I'm not doing okay. Spot. Is that Spot? Spot? My brain's died. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Niche. Make sure to comment so I know you like this. Comment and like so I know you like this series. I'm awkward at endings. Let's just admit it.